Right here, section gamma 6. The structural integrity seems compromised.
I concur. We should escalate this to engineering immediately.
Documenting the discrepancy now.
Okay, bring it left just a fraction. Applying pressure. Tell me when it aligns. The readings are stabilizing, but the front camber is still slightly negative.
All right. I've made the adjustment on the lower control arm.
Okay.
Let's lock it down and rescan.
Section 3 aligned yet? Almost. Hold it steady. Ready for the rivets on this side? Hold it, hold it. That's good right there. All right, secure the clamp. Start the weld.
Bring it down slowly now.
Steady, watch the clearance on the right. Looks good, ease it in.
Alignment check complete. Readings are stable.
Confirmed. We are within tolerance.
The load displacement is stabilizing. Check the gauge reading.
Reading confirmed. Systems are nominal. Apply the torque sequence as shown here. Make sure it clicks twice.
All right, sequenced and locked. It needs to be calibrated right here, according to the diagram.
Adjusting the actuator now.
Tension looks good on this side.
Pushing down now. Clear.
Holding at extension.
Roger that. Bringing it back up.
Tightening sequence started on flap 2.
Torque reached.
Confirmed secure. Proceed to next assembly.
Surface inspection complete on this section. Looks good.
Acknowledged. We'll take it from here.
All right, bring it left just a touch.
Hold it right there. Looks good.
Engaging the forward mounts now.
Almost there. Micro adjustments on my side.
Seated. Engaging the tool now.
Confirming sequence on the tablet. Everything green.
That's the last one torqued.
All right, she's secure. Take her up. The torque seems uneven on this attachment point. See the wear pattern.
Yes, I concur. We should adjust the specifications.
Pressure is steady at 55 psi. It looks good.
Confirmed. Let's disconnect the line.
Looks like the hydraulic line connects right here. We need to verify the alignment.
Okay, we're securing the access panel now.
The bushing is completely worn through on this side.
Yes.
Yeah, I can see the leakage now that you pointed out.
All right, let's get it replaced.
Keep it steady on the left. Okay, bringing up the brace. Looks good. Send the pin.
How does that look? All right. Right in the green.
All set here. Spinning it now, let's check the balance.
Readings are stabilizing.
Alignment looks perfect. Stability readings look good.
Confirmed on the device.
All right, we are clear to proceed.
Okay, pressure stabilizing now. Looks good. Holding steady.
System confirms green across the board.
See how it pulses right there? That shouldn't be happening.
But the schematic shows stabilization starting at this valve. Yeah.
It's smooth now. The adjustment worked.
All right, run the sequence now.
Sequence 1 engaged.
Cross-referencing the schematic for the next fitting.
We need to make sure this harness is secure before we close it up.
Continuity check confirms the connection is good.
Connection point gamma 9. Confirmed. Tightening the bolt now. Reading stable on line input 4.
Try this contact point here, and it should complete the circuit based on the diagram.
Continuity confirmed. It's good.
According to the schematic, this harness connects to port 47.
47 confirmed. Installing now.
Next level, go ahead and secure the bottom right.
All right. Torque set to specification.
Confirm continuity on the yellow feed before we close it up. That's the click. Fixture secure. Copy that. Avionics are green across the board.
Good. Testing the stick now.
Check the tension right here.
Looks good.
All right, let's move up to that next connection point.
Lift your side higher. Okay, push it in now. Got it, hold it there.
Torque checked on the left side.
Verified. Verified. How's the alignment on the right?
Just within tolerance.
Look right there. The alignment on number 3 mount is failing.
I see it. It matches the anomaly on the schematic.
Tap test complete on section 3.9er. Integrity confirmed.
Conform.
Moving to the next sequence.
Lower latch secured. Upper mechanisms locked.
We are good to go.
How are the readings on the actuator cycle?
Looks good. Consistent voltage and response time.
Mechanical latching is solid.
See this bolt here, it looks stressed. Okay, good.
Let me cross-reference that with the structural diagrams.
Spacing looks correct now.
I agree. The alignment is perfect.
Easy, easy. Bring it down another foot. Hold it. Looks good. Seated. Okay, confirmed. Start the sequence.
Left side secured.
Right side secure.
Confirmed. Specifications met.
The reading is 0.05 degrees.
Okay, noted.
Connection secured on terminal 4.
Verified against schematic. Proceeding with the next bundle.
Initiate downward travel on the aileron.
Full down.
Looks good. Return to neutral.
Raise.
According to the diagram, the routing for this yellow cable goes straight to RG67.
I'm tracing it now. It matches the schematic.
Confirm.
All right, push that section up.
It's heavy. Give us a hand.
Got it centered. Hold it steady while I check the clamp.
The manifold gasket seems to be leaking a little oil back here.
Yeah, I see it. It's minor right now, but worth noting for the report.
The vibration on this bearing is still too high.
The specs on the schematic confirm it, it's out of tolerance.
Bolt 7 secured to spec.
UT readings confirm structural integrity.
All right, section confirmed safe. Logging the report now.
Cockpit, we are clear to begin pushback. Brakes released.
Roger that. Left and right side clear. The rear camber is still showing red on the tablet.
Are you sure the sensor's calibrated? It looks correct on the target.
Positive. We need to adjust the eccentric bolt.
The pressure test confirms the caliper is sealing correctly. Fluid analysis looks good too. All right, let's get the wheel back on then. Okay, initiating the pressure sequence now.
It's climbing fast, stabilizing at standard operating pressure.
Looks good on the tablet too. Brake pressure confirmed. The diagnostic shows the response time is optimal.
Excellent. Brakes are fully operational.
Noted. Final mount secure. Set to spec.
Confirmed. All systems nominal.
Checklist complete. Vibration analysis report confirms the issue right here.
It looks worse than the reading suggested initially.
I agree. The scoring is visible now that we have the light on it.
Looks good. All parameters are stabilizing within the green zone.
Confirmed. The adjustments worked.
This bushing looks worn. Should we replace it now?
Yes, replace it. Yeah, we don't want failures during testing.
The schematic confirms the part number.
Такий нехайся випискані сподім став ідніш віники. Слуці вініки відсівлічні ріки, є татвенцевські нітін трешень.
Check the hydraulic pressure indicators on sector 3.
Confirmed. Readings look stable from here. Maybe a sensor issue. How's the actuator looking up there?
Secure. Moving to the next section.
Copy that. Engine housing looks clear down here.
The clearance on the rudder hinge is slightly out of spec. I'm logging the deviation now. Let's recheck the tolerance limits.
All bolts secured on this section. Looks good.
Blueprints match the assembly. We are green for the next phase.
Great job, gentlemen.
Yeah.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Yeah.
Couldn't agree more.
Job well done, everyone.